Today I'll be sharing 3 simple craft activities for kids with biodegradable glitter, using things you can find easily around your home or early learning service. Glitter snow globes make great gifts. You can make it with or without water. Firstly, decide what decorations you'd like to put in your snow globe. I've chosen an old whale Lego toy. Pick a jar that fits the decorations you've picked. Make sure the jar is clean and remove all labels. If you are adding water to your snow globe, do a test to make sure the jar you've picked is watertight. Using waterproof glue, attach the decoration to the underside of the jar lid. Let it dry. If you are making a waterless snow globe, put the lid on and shake. If you are adding water, fill the jar up with water, close the lid and shake. Putting a child's name or handprint in glitter captures a special moment in time. Encourage children to write their name on paper with a glue stick. Having a guide of their name to follow on paper can be helpful, especially if you're using clear glue. Sprinkle glitter on the paper and move it around so it's even. Capture excess loose glitter for later. Let it dry. For the glitter handprint, help children to paint one of their hands with non-toxic kids craft glue and place their handprint on the paper. Remove hand gently. Sprinkle glitter and move it around so it's even. Capture excess glitter for later. When the glue is dry, you have the option to frame the gift for a special keepsake. Making cardboard roll flowers is an easy activity to use up toilet rolls or paper towel rolls lying around. Press the cardboard tube to make it semi-flat. Cut the roll into strips. If you are going to paint, this is a good time to do it. Then let it dry. Add glue and glitter to your petals and leaves. Glue the petals together. Make the center of the flower, called a pistil, and glue this on. You can use old buttons or make the pistil out of old cardboard and add some glue and glitter. Glue the flower to the stem. Glue the leaves to the stem. A great way to display or gift your flowers is to put them in a jar with sand. Please share your pics with us if you try any of the activities in this video. We'd love to see what you make.